should have destroyed Carthage, every man, woman, and child, many years ago.
Saguntum is lost, and our Western allies have failed us. Where was the last report of his whereabouts?
My spies in Iberia tell me his fleet has sailed. We must expect an invasion at Massalia!
This is nonsense! No fleet has sailed. Rome controls the Mediterranean. He's not attacking, he's making allies. At this very moment, he courts the Macedonians, the Greeks. Illyria will rise up against us, and the Adriatic will be lost once more.
Ridiculous! Epirus won't stand for it. Our legions have sole military access to their land. I believe the attack will come from Africa itself. He intends to cross the Mediterranean and invade from Sicily. Syracuse will revolt and sweep up from the south.
That's wild speculation.
We cannot...
He will come not from the south, nor the east. Our mercenaries in the north report that he has forged an alliance with the tribes of the Po Valley. He intends to circumnavigate Massalia and march his army...
Over the Alps, perhaps! He would lose half his army from attrition alone. The other half would desert.
We must defend the mountain passes.
Do you expect the Gauls to welcome him when he arrives?
I suppose he will bring with him an army of elephants!
Senators, I dare say that would be quite a feat, even for the great Hannibal Barca.